Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and your family and loved ones are safe as well. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 10 skincare mistakes that you should avoid. Take these skincare mistakes as a guide and make sure that you treat your skin in the best possible way. So if you're interested watching in this video, then stay tuned, and now without any delay, let's start the video. Point number 1, not cleaning your face twice a day. We all know that over cleansing your face might irritate your skin or just dry it out, but it doesn't mean that you just stop cleansing it. So it's really important to cleanse your skin at least a day, but ideally twice a day. First in the morning, you might think that we don't need to clean it up because it's already clean, but what about the dead skin cell and oil on your face? So it's really important to wash it off. Second, during the night time, you need to do double cleansing during night time. First with the cleansing milk and second with the foaming face wash or any gel based face wash. Point number 2, not wearing the sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most important step in the skincare routine, irrespective of the age, gender and skin color. It is necessary to apply the sunscreen on all your exposed body part when you step out in the sun. A lot of skin problem like hyperpigmentation, acne, fine line, wrinkle can be reduced just use of a regular SPF. So if you are not using it, then start using it. Point number 3, having high sugar diet. Sugar increases the glucose level, which further increases the insulin that makes your skin to produce more oils and androgens, and it worsens your acne. So cut down or limit the intake of sugar will be beneficial for your skin as well as your body's health. Point number 4, constantly touching your face. Your hands might have bacteria, and constantly touching your face might transfer those bacteria to your skin, which triggers the acne. So always use your washed hand when you are doing your skincare. Other than that, avoid keep on touching your skin. Point number 5, over exfoliating your skin. So for those who don't know what exfoliation is, it means scrubbing. Over exfoliating results excessive dryness, redness and irritation. So twice a week is enough. Do not exfoliate your skin every day. Point 6, not separating body and face towel. You should always use a separate towel for both body and face, and always use a clean and dry towel for face. And if possible, try to wash it off in every 2 days. Point number 7, using hot water. I know hot shower makes you feel very much relaxed, but it's not good for your skin. It strips out all your natural oil from your skin and makes it dry. So try to use lukewarm water. Point number 8, blindly following the trend. Before following any skincare steps like 10-step K-beauty routine on your oily skin, just check whether your skin can take it up or not. Is it actually good for your skin, or would it be fine with basic skincare regimen? So before following any skincare steps, just check whether it is for your skin type or not. Point 9, not getting enough sleep. First of all, no under eye cream would remove your dark circles, or no cream or serum would make your skin flawless until or unless you don't get proper sleep. The lack of sleep always continues showing on your face. So take enough sleep and you are one step closer to a non-disastrous skin. And the last point is layering your skincare in the wrong way. The basic formula of layering is from thinnest to thickest. Start with cleansing, exfoliation, mask, and then go for toner, essence, serum, under eye cream, and then moisturizer. And if you are using any oil on your face, then it should be your last step. And if it's a daytime, then your sunscreen should be the last step. So that's all for today, guys. These are the 10 skincare mistakes that you should avoid for your healthy and clear skin. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, then you know what to do. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.